For the last few months, the Mayo Clinic system has used a COVID tracking tool to monitor cases in every county across the country. They use it to figure out their staffing levels and to make sure they have enough hospital beds and supplies to treat patients. This week, they decided to release that tracking tool to the public.
This tool will allow you to see what are the new cases of COVID where you live and work, where your family and friends live and work.
Dr. Henry Ting leads a team of about 20 data scientists who are updating this information daily. He says the public version of this tool only shows what numbers are like right now, but the version the Mayo Clinic has been using for several months can also predict the future. Dr. Ting says they recently used this feature to predict a spike in cases near their clinic in Arizona.
Our predictive tool was able to forecast that rise in several weeks in advance, so we had that forewarning.
This forecasting feature not only uses data from state health departments and federal agencies, it also collects information from Google searches and social media to predict cases that might not be officially diagnosed for days. Dr. Ting says that feature will be made public sometime in the coming weeks and will be helpful for business travelers or anyone who's planning a trip over the holidays this year.
I think when people have knowledge and information they can trust, that people can use that information to make better decisions.
Gordon Severson, KARE 11 News.
The new tool went live this morning. If you'd like to check it out, we posted a link on our website, KARE11.com.